Hello all, welcome back to Code Hub, and today let us solve the weekly contest 326, and this is the second problem of this contest. And happy new year to everyone, and I'm wishing you all the success for this year. And yeah, let us jump into the problem. The second problem of this weekly contest is distinct prime factors of product of the array. And what is the problem states? The given an array of positive integers nums, return the number of distinct prime factors in the product of elements of nums. So note that a number greater than 1 is called prime if it is divisible by only 1 and itself. So an integer val1 is a factor of another integer val2 if val2 divides by val1 is an integer. So what is this example? The product of this whole array is nothing but 1000 and 10,080. And what are the prime factors of the 10,080? That is nothing but 2, 3 and 5, 7, and there are only 4 prime factors, so we return 4. And for the second example, the product is 1024 and the prime factor is only 2, so we return the answer 1. So there is only one prime factor for 1024 and we return 1. So this problem is by looking at this problem, really it will be easy by simulating. So we will be thinking of a solution where we will be calculating the whole product, and then with that product we are going to calculate we are going to count we are going to have the prime factors, and we are going to take the distinct prime factors and return the count. But at the first sight it might be easy, but this is a tricky problem because the looking into the constraints, this does not going to fit into our integer if we take if we take the product of the whole array. So how can we solve that problem? So what we can do is, we instead of calculating the whole product is nothing but all the numbers are going to be in that final product, right? So instead of calculating the prime factors for the whole product, we can calculate the prime factors for each and every number in the array. That boils down our problem to find the unique prime factors, distinct prime factors for all the numbers in the nums array. So that is very pretty simple, right? So, and even in previous contest, I have used this while loop to calculate the prime factors of a given number. This while loop is very easy to calculate the prime factors for a given number. So what I have done is, we have to keep track of the unique prime number. So I have declared a set here, and initially I have cleared the set, and I'm running a for loop for all the numbers. For all the numbers, I'm going to calculate the prime factors, and those prime factors I'm going to insert into my set, since set is going to keep distinct numbers. And finally I'm going to return the size of that set. So that is pretty simple, and as you can see, when you trace it in your note, you will find the logic how it works. So here, if my product in the sense, the number is the product. If my number is going to be greater than or equal to the f into f is nothing but the factor. It starts from 2 initially, and if that factor is divisible, is dividing this product, then I will insert that into my set, and I will divide the product by that factor. Else, if that is not divisible, if that does not divide that product, then I will increment my factor. If you if you do in your notebook, it will be pretty simple to understand, and you will never forget this approach, and it is pretty good to know about this while loop to find the prime factors. So yeah, that's it for this problem, and I will also submit the code as well. Yeah, great, it gets accepted. So hope you like the solution, and let me know in the comments if there are any suggestion. Let us see in the next problem, and I will say about the third problem to solve in this weekly contest. And yeah, bye.